Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by making sure your iPhone is ready. Update iOS and pick the photo you want to edit. Once done, open Photos and tap Edit to reveal the built-in tools. This gives you quick access to auto, crop, and filters. If you prefer advanced controls, launch a third-party editor or enable an extension in Photos. Make sure permissions are allowed for the app to read photos. Now that you're inside the editor, we'll begin with framing and exposure adjustments. Start by cropping and straightening. Choose an aspect ratio like 16:9 or square to suit your output and correct horizon lines. Next, tweak light controls. Reduce highlights to recover bright detail, lift shadows to reveal shadowed areas, and adjust exposure and contrast subtly. Small moves matter. If a spot or distraction remains, use a healing tool or selective brush in apps like Lightroom or Snapseed for targeted fixes. Make sure to compare before and after as you progress. Now refine color. Correct white balance with temperature and tint, boost vibrance for muted tones, and dial saturation carefully to avoid clipping. Apply sharpening and noise reduction sparingly, and add a slight vignette if it improves focus. When satisfied, export a copy. Pick JPEG or HEIF, set quality/size, then save or share via AirDrop or cloud. If something looks off, revert to the original or use the editor's history to step back. If edits won't apply, restart the app and check storage.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.